So ngayon, ayan, kung makikita nyo, nilagay ko na dito and ilalagay ko siya dito sa may rice cooker na to and hindi ko gagamitin yung air fryer. Pero pwede ko naman gamitin yung air fryer. And gusto ko lang i-try itong rice cooker na to kasi sinabi niya dito, you can bake ganyan. So ayan, meron siya dito pwedeng cake baking function, ayan. Meron siyang cake bake function. So, ngayon, itatry natin kung mabibake siya dito sa rice cooker na to, na automatic na rice cooker. So, ayan. Lagay na natin. Tapos, ang gagawin natin ay, i-bake na natin to dito. Ayan, so, while waiting, and we will see how's the result of this, I baked the banana using the rice cooker. So, ayan na siya. So, magbi-bake na tayo, and also, lilinisan ko muna itong mga kalat dito. So, ayan. Kasi makalat dito, and also, hindi lang siya makalat, malakas ang ulan sa labas. So, ipakita ko sa inyo yung ulan sa labas na malakas. Ayan. So, ito yung kalat dito. Makalat pa yan. Ayan. Sobrang kalat. And, ito pa yung damit. And also, ayan, umuulan ng malakas, oh. I can make it through the rain. I can stand that once again on my own in my room. There is, I forgot the lyrics. So, ito yung view dito. It's raining man. Hallelujah's baby's raining man. Raining man. It's raining man. Ayan, it's raining and ay, there's a thunder. 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 I can make it through the rain. I can stand up once again on my own in my room. So, ayun friends, there's no safe place to all targeted individual out there. Take care always, everyone.